Hi there, I'm Meghan Freed. I'm one of the founding attorneys here at Freed Marcroft. We practice divorce and family law in Connecticut. Today I'm here to answer a question that we're very frequently asked. What's the difference between divorce and legal separation? Later on in this video, I'm going to explain how we can help you work through the personal sides of the decision, whether to separate or whether to divorce. But first, I want to take one more step back, because one of the things we've found is that there's a lot of confusion between what many people call separation in casual conversation. They basically mean living apart when they use the word separation. This is part of the reason why the differences between that, living apart, which is called separation, legal separation, and divorce are so confusing. I want to clear that up. A couple simply living apart is not legally separated regardless of how long they live apart. Living apart is not the same as what we're here to talk about today, legal separation, which is a formal process. Just as in a divorce, in a legal separation, spouses have a binding court order and it covers the terms and conditions of their separation. They agree on custody, property settlement, alimony, and child support. The major difference between a separation and a divorce is that in a separation, you remain legally married and may not first remarry unless you divorce. A legal separation actually can last indefinitely. Unlike a divorce, it can be undone. One spouse's lawyer files what's referred to as a declaration of resumption of marital relations. And what that means is the court goes ahead and vacates the separation and you go back to being married. On the other hand, because of all the issues that you decided already when you did the legal separation, it's a streamlined process to convert a legal separation into a finalized divorce. So that begs the question, why do people choose the legal separation over a divorce? It depends. It used to be more popular back when it was pretty common to be able to keep your spouse's health insurance benefits if you were legally separated, but you would lose those benefits if you divorced. That generally isn't the way things tend to work right now, but what we would do here is dig in and check the specifics of your health insurance plan so that we can give you personalized guidance on that piece. Other people take the legal separation route because they've not made a final decision on whether they want to divorce, or they do it for religious reasons. For other people, financial considerations are what lead to the choice to legally separate rather than divorce. For example, maybe because they want to continue to be married in order to meet the 10-year requirement to qualify for a spouse's Social Security or pension benefits, or perhaps there's a concern that one spouse is going to accumulate significant debt and they don't want their other spouse to be responsible for it. Whether to stay married or move forward with the legal separation versus a divorce really depends on your specific goals and your specific circumstances. At Freed Marcroft, we've designed our first step, what we call the Goals and Planning Conference, to help you figure out your goals so that then we can go ahead and design the legal strategy that will help get you to those goals. Once we have our arms around what you really want, we're going to be able to help you decide whether a legal separation or a divorce is the best way to get you there. Plus, our team can take all of our collective understanding with the law, with the available ways to divorce, with courts, with other lawyers, with strategy, and we'll just use that to build a process for you that's keyed into your priorities in terms of time, money, and emotional well-being. I invite you to click through and book your Goals and Planning Conference with us so we can get started on getting you the answers that you're looking for. Thank you for joining us.